Some of us have the privilege of being born twice in one lifetime. The day we are born physically and the day we awaken to the purpose of our life. I have had this privilege of waking up to the purpose of my life and discovering my calling as a coach in 2006. That day changed the entire direction and gave meaning to my life. People like to follow leaders who exhibit a strong and clear purpose. Such leaders demonstrate few qualities such as having a clarity of vision. Clarity of purpose facilitates a leader to set a clear direction for the team. It's like climbing Mount Everest. If you really picture that whole image excites you because it seems a goal that is so far, but it's scalable. It opens a vista of opportunities, possibilities, it's exciting, it's filled with challenges, and it's filled with teamwork. And that is what a higher vision does. And that is what strong leaders do, inspire their people with clarity of a higher vision. The second attribute is keeping the context alive. Any team gets so busy in everyday tasks and achieving small milestones to get to that goal. The context sometimes just gets lost. When the context is kept alive by a leader in every meeting, every conversation where decisions are being taken, it brings the team back to basics. It's always about the basics, and staying connected to the core or the basics or the vision is what really helps a team to succeed and achieve that goal that they set out for. Thirdly, always remember to prioritize people over tasks. 2020 has been a classic reminder of lives over livelihood. When a leader values people and makes them feel relevant and they know what they are doing and why they are doing, they feel connected to that vision and they feel inspired to actually achieve what they've set out to achieve. Staying centered in crisis is very important. Our vision anchors us. It gives meaning and direction to every action, forces you to solution, inspires you to stay pragmatic, and teach critical thinking skills to your team. The team rallies together to move forward because they find a stable influence in their life. Staying connected with their sense of purpose enables leaders to be more resilient and agile. I've interacted with many leaders in 2020 who have been very purpose-driven with a human focus. They have risen to the occasion by making sure at every time they are serving humanity.